I wanted to get out here real quick before it rained to show you. It's near the last day of February and we have all this beautiful color showing up on the trees and daffodils here. This is a purple pony. It is a flowering plum and it has all these beautiful flowers on it. It might be a little hard to see, but my neighbor has some beautiful flowers on their trees. And my peach tree has put on one bloom right there. The apium has had blooms on it for a little while. I think it's almost actually done blooming. It is an early blooming fruit. There are even a few blooms on this loropetalum. This is the Jazz Hands from Proven Winners, a dwarf version of a loropetalum. The trailing rosemary is also blooming, and the Chef's Choice rosemary with these cute, delicate little dark purple flowers. And we have a few early blooming California poppies here in this little patch. About 4 have come up already. I never really shared my front yard with you, but here are some blooms on one of the camellias in the front yard. This plant has the most beautiful flowers on it. It is an old one. This plant is probably 20 or 30 years old, but it has the most beautiful flowers on it. I have a second camellia blooming that's right next to it. This one has more ruffled texture and a slightly lighter color, but also just as beautiful when it blooms. I have some additional daffodils here as well. I used to have some traditional daffodils, but they did not naturalize. And here is this beautiful yellow bearded iris that has been blooming on and off for a little while. Anyway, I just wanted to share some of the beautiful things going on in the yard right now as we switch from fall to spring, although we're supposed to get a bunch of rain tomorrow and then we're supposed to get a light frost. So things might get nipped over the next week. Thank you for joining me for my garden journey, and we will see you in the next one.